Hey folks, Aaron here from Wire Technology. I just wanted to take a quick minute to walk you through getting the MSP plugins installed in Claude and setting up the gateway. So you can see here, I'm already in my Claude cowork on the UI, and adding the plugins from the GitHub repo is pretty easy. So we just do the little add button here. You can go to plugin, plugins, and add plugin. And so you can see here, this is Anthropic and Partners. You go to Personal, and if you just click Add right here, and then Add Marketplace from a URL, I'm going to go ahead and paste this in, because I already have it saved in my copy buffer. But you can see Wire Technologies / MSP Claude plugins. And we'll do sync. And it'll take in a minute. But once that happens, you'll see something like this. So you can add whatever plugins are appropriate for you and your MSP. Since Wire is a Kaseya shop, I'm going to do Autotask, I'm going to do Datto, I'm going to do IT Glue. I'm probably also going to add, let's see what else I have here. I'll do some shared skills. So that's just terminology and things that help Claude understand MSPs a little bit better. We also have some Liongard going on. And let's see. I'm not going to do any others right now. Okay, so that's great. I've got those skills installed. If you go here, you can see manage, and there are certain commands you can use. There's certain skills, right? So if you are curious at all about what a command or what a plugin does, you can go there and look. There's one other thing missing, though, and that is the connector. So the skills and the plugins and commands and all of that work. They're battle tested, and they have to have some sort of connection. So this can be, if you're running these locally yourself, this can be through Docker Desktop. If you're self-hosting, if you're running these through something like Cloudflare or DigitalOcean, you're going to add these roughly the same way. So let's go to connectors, and then the little add button up here, if you click the plus, and we're going to add a custom connector. So MCP, or rather I'm going to do MSP, MCP, and then I'm going to go ahead and snag my gateway URL. So if you're interested in doing the hosted gateway and giving it a shot, this is what you would use. Otherwise, you would get the specific connectors for however you've deployed the MCP servers. So again, this could be DigitalOcean, this could be through Cloudflare, this could even be running locally on Docker Desktop. This hosted gateway is just a convenience layer for getting all those plugins in one place. I've done some optimization on the back end for that, so that getting responses is a little bit quicker than what you would normally find if you're self-hosting or if you're running this through like Docker Desktop. But I'll add it. Well, my connector already exists. So typically what happens is once you've added that plugin, this is not connected, so you can see it down here. Once it connects, it's going to go try and connect to the gateway. So it will connect to the gateway, and then you'll see it's active. Now, there are a number of skills, or rather tools, I should say, that get exposed through the gateway. And it's basically whatever you select. Mine happen to be cached, so I'm not doing anything with PackState right now, but IT Glue, Datto, and Autotask are all tools that we use on a day-to-day basis. So hopefully you found this helpful. This is just, again, a quick run through of how to get things connected for the MSP Claude plugins repo. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out on the Discord. You can find that in mcp.wiretechnology.com. join us, jump in, have some conversations. The releases are pretty regular for plugins. Also, if you have a feature request, bug request, drop it in there, drop it on the GitHub repo, and I'll be happy to take a look. Anyways, thanks for watching.